The hand-supported single dumbbell step-up provides a deep stretch on the glutes while primarily targeting the upper glutes, including the glute medius and glute minimus, as well as the hamstrings and quadriceps. Using a sturdy box or step that is knee-high or slightly higher will provide a deep stretch in the glutes and create more tension in the glutes rather than the quadriceps. Also, using a hand for support allows you to lift heavier and provides more control during the movement. Here's how to do it correctly. Position a knee-high or slightly higher sturdy box, step, or bench in front of a sturdy post. Hold a dumbbell in the same hand as the working leg, then place your working foot on the box, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Grab the post with your free hand. Drive your foot through the box to push yourself up onto the box while fully extending your hip and knee at the top. It's important to not pull yourself up with your hand on the post, as your hand should only support you in controlling the movement. Avoid pushing off the back foot too much, as the goal is to let the front leg do most of the work. Slowly lower yourself back down with control, keeping tension on your working leg. Complete all reps on one side, then switch legs and repeat. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.